Yo, I cannot express how long I've been waiting for the results of this survey to come out. And the reason being is a while back, I watched a podcast that is one of my favorite from the industry, and they had a guest on there. And I admit, I'm not that familiar with the gentleman, but the clip that I saw, he was like, oh, we've got to stop hyping up our industry and blowing fluff and bruh. I want to let you know that advanced manufacturing is the wave. We don't have to hype up nothing. It's already amazing and it is perfect for the people. And this report is going to tell you exactly why. No hype. Let's get to the numbers. All right, so number one, we're getting right into it right away. 93% of these manufacturers reported growth. Some are showers, some are growers. 35% are showing steady growth. 48% slow growth. And then we got rapid growth in there as well. The thing is, the 7% that's probably not growing, they probably just didn't automate. But we're growing as jobs available. 93% in an industry like this, that's amazing. Manufacturing is expanding. American manufacturing is growing. I'm pretty sure this is a domestic list. So that's good, man. That's a good way to kick this thing off. It's jobs, it's money, it's flowing out here. American manufacturing is back. So that means, with the growth comes jobs, and this is, good jobs. These are jobs we'll get into later slides, but good benefits, high paying. I'm going to give you numbers in a second, but 49%, half of these companies have 1 to 4 openings right now. That means you could be working right now, you and the homies. You know what I'm saying? 20% of these companies have 5 to 10 openings right now. 6% have an 11 to 20. And then 16% of these companies have 20 plus jobs open right now for you to work and come get this bag, right? So not only is the industry growing, but because it's growing, that means there are jobs available. Let's see what type of jobs these are. Well, what I got to do to get one of these jobs, Drewski? I'm glad you asked. Let me tell you, bro. So 80% of these jobs require just a high school diploma or less. You know what I'm saying? 27% of these jobs, you don't need a diploma or a degree at all. So this means you can get this job. I don't even want to keep saying job. These are careers. You can get into these careers with little to no schooling, with basic knowledge, and really, take it from me, it comes from just having heart and just wanting to get into it and, giving it your all, showing up every day and, trying. Be a try hard. This is the time when it counts for you. For sure. Oh, well, those jobs that are, easy to get and anybody can get them, they're usually a trap and they usually stick you there for a long time. That might be true. However, here it's different. 68% of manufacturers are willing to train you and they don't require any experience for entry-level jobs. So that means you might start there, but you're definitely not trapped. If you want to grow, you want to build, you want to be something else, a lot of manufacturers will pay for you to go to school and become a programmer, become a machinist, 1, 2, 3. You become a journeyman, become tool and die, go into their HR, go into their marketing, all these different things, right? Engineering department. So they might start off with low or no skills, but they got your back. A lot of manufacturers don't want you to stay there. They want to move you up because the better you do, the better they do. Come on, bro. So what are they going to pay, right? Easy to get in, don't need a lot of skills, and they'll train me. They can't be paying a lot. Yeah, they are. You know what I'm saying? Check this out. $46K a year, 31% are starting you there, right? That's $22 an hour just to come in the building, and they're going to train you, and they have good benefits. Some salaries are listed as high as $76,000 to $100,000 to start out. So this is an industry with no ceilings, like Wayne said, man. What you put in, as you can see, you can most definitely get out. The trades get you paid, especially advanced manufacturing. So I heard you say benefits, Drewski. What type of bennies are we talking? I'm glad you asked. It's no fluke, man. So 89% of the people that answered the survey give you medical insurance. 86% give you dental insurance. 59% prescription coverage, 59% HSA account, 11% manufacturing. We got to do better. Give you child care reimbursement. 77% have a 401k program. 48% give you incentive pay and extra. That's like that profit sharing, where you get that little paper for doing a good job. And then work related stipends, right? So staying safe, doing things like that is going to get you paid. So the trades not only get you paid, they get you big bennies, and there's no ceilings to as far as you want to go. Come on, man. It's an easy decision. All right, Drusy. I mean, those benefits are good. You know, I'm feeling that. But what else does manufacturing offer? I'm glad you asked. Learning and educational opportunities. 64% reported that they give that. So if you want more certifications, you want to get paid more, you want to go to school and continue to learn about this amazing trade, get better as a person, get better as an employee, they're going to send you and they're going to pay for it. Specialty training, right? You want to make specific parts. You want to learn specific processes, or you want to invent them on your own. Guess what? We love that too. We're going to pay for you to go to school and figure out that specialty training. Classes and educational loans. Yeah, big funds, big funds. Mentorship. We need more of this, only 34%, but we're getting there, right? So we got a lot of legacy members that are leaving, and they got a lot up here that we're going to need, and computers and AI are not going to solve it for us. So we're building out more mentorship programs, company events. Be the best you ever been to a manufacturing conference. You know, if you know, you know. Additional PTO. I see more manufacturers starting to offer this additional PTO, either earned or just given at the beginning of the year. And then referral bonuses. We're going to get you paid to bring your friends in, bring your people, tell everybody about us. We want them too. So there you have it. You know, like, old boy said, you know, we got to stop hyping up the field. It ain't hype, period. The numbers show it. This is an independent study on social media. You know what I'm saying? Like, we are the bee's knees. This is the wave. You know what I'm saying? This is where you get in. You got a solid foundation. You get a bag, and it's a respectable career, man. So I don't know where you are in your life. I don't know, you know, you might have family or friends or somebody that's looking for another option or opportunity. Your child might be of that age where they're starting to figure things out and try to figure out what they want to do in life. Let them know about advanced manufacturing. We got stuff on the shop floors. We got stuff in the offices. We got marketing. We've got management. We've got engineering. You could work with your hands. You could work with a team. You could work by yourself if you want to. It's all a win here, right? And we got to build this thing back. We got to get it great again. So come on down to American Manufacturing. It ain't no hype, baby. Check out the numbers.